Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is Forex Quick Look. And take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar from a technical perspective. Today's date is June 18, 2024. Let's get started. Before I start technical, let's talk a little fundamentals. Reserve Bank of Australia kept rates unchanged. There's a little bit of a hawkish kind of tilt to some of the comments from Governor Bullock that helped to push the price higher. And more specifically, however, in the U.S. session, we did see the price move higher after the weaker than expected retail sales today. Push the price back above or above the 200 and 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Those levels come between 0.6631 and 0.6635. So technically speaking, if the price is able to remain above those levels, the bias remains more to the upside. If we were to move back below those levels, the bias would shift back to the downside. Now, of course, and I talked about this yesterday, most of the price action over the last 6 or 7 or so trading weeks has been between 0.6575 and 0.6689, or let's call it 90. So that's only about 105, 106 pips from the low to high trading range. Yes, we've extended above on a number of different occasions, and we also have extended below on a few occasions as well. But for the most part, most of the price action is in between these two levels, and that has these two moving averages in between those two levels. So getting above those moving averages, sort of getting above the 50%, kind of getting above the midpoint of what is this trading range. And the question comes, can it stay above those levels? If it can, the bias remains more to the upside, and we'll look toward the higher extremes up here. And if the price, however, were to move below these levels, then I expect that we see a rotation back toward the lower of these extremes down here near the 65.75 level to 65.90 level on the downside. So we'll see how it all pans out. But right now, the buyers are taking more control, helped by the weaker retail sales and maybe a little bit more hawkish RBA. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune to trading. Bye-bye now.